In this video I am going to show you how you can use the sheet I have developed for you. So this is the sheet that you can use. Now let me quickly tell you how you can use the sheet and how the settings can be done. So let's take an example of set 1. So for analyzing the data after putting them over here in set 1, what you have to do is you have to click on analyze button. It will show you like it is processing the data. After some time it will show you a message over here, let's saying set 1 analysis completed. I will click on OK and you can see your data has been formatted, and also from the data a summary sheet has been created to have a look. Same way I will go to set 2 and analyze the data. I will get a pop-up, my summary sheet will be ready. Same set 3, same process, complete along with summary, and also for set 4 analysis complete. Now let's say if you want to remove the data from the summary and set 4 sheet, you can click on the clear button. So it will delete all the available data in set 4 and set 4 summary. To clear set 3, same process. For that set 2 again the same, and set 1 again the same. Now let me close it and show you. Don't worry, this is the same file. I'm going to inform you how these settings are created over here. So first of all, you can see different weights that are assigned over here. uh, it's better if I again analyze the data and show you how it is performing. Okay, so my data has been analyzed. So here you have given me different weights, and also accordingly I have given the weights over here. Depending on W minus K and N, you have given me the weights of 0.5, 1 and 2. So in Excel file I have also given the weights over here, 0.5, 1 and 2. And if I go to my set 1 formula, this is the formula for total points. You can see it is taking the reference of our different cells for K, W, N and multiplying them with the given details, I mean given weight. The same thing also are followed over here. So after calculating the total points, we will have to check whether our x1 is positive or negative. So here we can see our x1 is negative. So for that we have to use this first rule for x1 that is negative, and also less than is equal to minus w, which is given to us over here. Set 1 first second point, which is for negative x1. Here you have given me a condition: if x is greater than is equal to minus k and less than is equal to minus w. Same thing, x here is that criteria. Our percentage that we are going to check is less than is equal to greater than is equal to minus k and less than is equal to w, I mean minus w. So if we check for this particular minus 5.6, it is okay, that falls under this criteria. It is greater than minus w, but less than minus k. So for that we have applied different weights, and also that is in total there are three conditions to check whether our total points is falling in between or is greater than is equal to minus 1 and less than is equal to minus 2. If that thing happens, then we will check what is the percentage that we have to analyze. So let's say this is minus 2.2, so we will analyze it accordingly and provide different weights. For that we can, here is the reference. If our total points is greater than is equal to 1.5 and less than is equal to 2, so here is the condition: greater than is equal to 1.5 and also less than is equal to 2, then check what is the percentage, and whatever the weightage that has been found, uh, highlight the data accordingly and also do the process for the O and T and O value and T value. This thing and the thing will at the bottom part, both are one and the same. there was a mistake in my writing, so I corrected that. But they are both the same. But what I have done over here is, one is for your negative values and one is for your positive values in x1, so that in future if you need to change them, change the change these rules accordingly. So let's say if our x is minus, you want the weight over here to be 1, and here it should be 1.5 only. So you, to give you more flexibility, I have given I have worked like this. Okay, that is for set 1. This part is similar, all the things are similar, only the difference is in whether the x1 is positive or negative. The same thing is over here for set 2. According to the rules, we will highlight the data. Let me again do that. So to apply this green yellow or green part, we have these rules. If our ratio is falling under -1, then highlight it as yellow. If it is greater than 1, then highlight it as blue. If none of the conditions are satisfied, then don't uh, yes, here, then don't format them. You can see we have not formatted this data or this data because they are not falling in our conditions, so we are ignoring them. Again, then if we will check if our x1 is negative, then we will find out the lowest cell value for minus case. So here the lowest cell value will be 1.78. So we will find where it will fall. 1.75, it is not greater than 1.5, so it falls under this category. It is greater than -2 but also less than -1.5. So for O change, for O and T, we will use these multipliers 1.25 and 1.5. So if I go over here, it is already placed 1.25 and 1.5. And to make the things as negative, I have also applied a negative sign over here, just to make the little bit of work easy. If it was positive, it will not add any minus values. You can see over here it will just apply the weights, so you do not need to worry about it. I have taken care of that. Okay, here are two conditions that needs to be checked. If we come to set 3, again the things are similar. We will check from the given conditions. Here we will check what is our k value, and accordingly we will do our calculation. So if I come, so here I have given you three, let's say 3 stages to place. So if our x is 3, then have a weight of 0.65. If our weight is 4, then have a weight of 6.5. If our sorry, count is 5 or more, then use this. You can also change it, but do remember you can use only the whole number. I don't think so it will work with 2.5 that well. Yes, definitely it will not work with 2.5. uh, Sorry, yes, I was thinking it will definitely not work with 2.5. Let's say you can do like this: if this is 2, if this is 3, and if here, if you just press 4 and enter, this last part or more will come over there, because I have done a custom formatting for that. So if this is still a value, but it will be only represented as a text, so you can use it. Let me revert back the changes to 3, 2 and 1. Same thing over here. If x is positive, then take this weightages. Same thing is for our set 4 for positive and negative t that meets this criteria. Everything that you have given me is been taken from all the conditions over here, so I don't think so there will be any errors. The last part is also done. You told me that I have to use plus sign for set 1 and set 2 instead of a -1, because because of the changes you have in my mind, so I have also taken care of that. Still, if you are not able to understand, do let me know. We will have a meeting and clear out the things. Thank you so much.